Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your Croma TV is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and the connection is stable. Once done, check for and install any system or YouTube app updates so compatibility is current. You should have your Google account credentials nearby. Signing and unlock subscriptions and history. Start the YouTube app from the home screen, and if prompted, choose Device Setup or Sign In. This gets you into the app and ready for playback. Now you sign in and locate content. Use the remote search to type channel names or speak with voice search to save time. Once you find a video, press play. If typing is slow, open YouTube on your phone and tap Cast to Croma TV. This mirrors playback without retyping. Make sure to open the video settings to choose 720p/1080p depending on bandwidth, and use the remote to pause, seek, and enable subtitles when needed for clarity. To finish, test a few short videos to confirm audio, picture, and remote controls respond correctly. If you encounter buffering or app crashes, first reboot the TV and router. That often resolves temporary network or memory issues. If sign-in fails or the app won't update, clear YouTube app data or uninstall and reinstall the app, then sign in again. If problems persist, check for firmware updates or factory reset only as a last resort to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.